This Michelangelo granite pan with lid is a great helper in any kitchen. It boasts a non-stick surface. Food slides off easily, and cleanup is a breeze. The 10-inch size is just right for many cooking tasks. It's not too big and not too small. This pan feels sturdy, and the lid fits well, trapping heat and moisture. The hard anodized material seems tough and durable. It heats up quickly and evenly. You won't find hot spots that burn your food. The granite coating looks nice, and it adds a touch of style to your cookware. It's also easy to handle, and the lid has a comfortable knob. The Michelangelo granite pan with lid is a solid choice if you need a reliable non-stick skillet. For its features, this Michelangelo granite pan with lid works on different stovetops, including induction. That's a big plus. While it doesn't have Wi-Fi or connect to your toys, it does its main job well. Cooking. We didn't have to pay any extra fees to test it, and compared to other brands, it holds its own. It's a simple, effective pan for everyday cooking. Woot. Pros. Simple to clean, heats fast, even heat, glass lid, cool handle, induction ready, dishwasher safe, oven safe. Cons. Non-stick coating lifespan, can scratch easily, not ideal for high heat, may release fumes if overheated. Some not oven safe, hand wash recommended, can lose non-stick over time, not the best for searing. Lid handle can get hot, potential for uneven heating, aluminum base concerns. Features. 10-inch size, non-stick surface, includes a lid, granite coating, induction compatible, hard anodized, easy to clean, durable build, even heating, comfortable handle. This Michelangelo 10-inch frying pan has a non-stick granite surface and comes with a lid. It's made to work on all kinds of stoves, even induction ones. The pan is hard anodized, which means it's strong and should last a while. It heats food evenly and has a handle that's easy to hold. Plus, it's not hard to clean after you're done cooking. This Michelangelo 10-inch frying pan with a lid is designed for easy cooking and cleaning, thanks to its non-stick granite surface that heats up quickly and evenly. It comes with a glass lid to see your food and a handle that stays cool. It works on all kinds of stoves, including induction, and you can put it in the dishwasher. However, the non-stick might not last forever. It can scratch, and it's not the best for very high heat or searing. Some parts can get hot, and there are some worries about uneven heating and the aluminum base. It's probably best to wash it by hand to make it last longer.